Radiance here for Revived Medical Spas again. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about the hero products from Skin Medica. There's an amazing exfoliating cleanser. It has AHA, BHA, and that is to help exfoliate your skin chemically. If you use it every day, your skin will be more like a dolphin, less like a lizard. And then we have the TNS eye repair for your second step. Just stab that under your eyes. It's brightening. It helps to repair the tissue, reduce the fine lines and wrinkles. With that, I love the TNS serum. This actually helps regenerate your tissue, gives it a little more thickness and health. It removes some of the old collagen, replaces it with new collagen. It's a wonderful treatment. I love to use this. In the beginning, I used it every single day. Now I just need to use it a couple times a week to have beautiful skin. And then finally, we also have the TNS Recovery Complex. You can put that on for extra moisture and to go ahead and give yourself a nice hydration. These are the hero products from Skin Medica. Click the link below to learn more. By the way, the products we recommend can be purchased in our free app. The Skin Medica and Elastin products will receive 20% savings. So select the link in the description to sign up and get your savings. And also, I need your help. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and share if you can. Thank you so much.